नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। माई सेल्फ डॉक्टर तेजस्वी जैन, फैकल्टी ऑफ आयुर्वेदिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ नेचुरोपैथी एंड योगा. Today's topic is 10 basic principle. Here we deal with the first 5 principle of naturopathy. So before going to that, we should know what is naturopathy. So naturopathy is a scientific and holistic system of male binding in harmony with the constructive principle of nature, stimulating the body's inherent power to regain health and treating disease with the help of 5 great elements. As we have discussed earlier, those 5 elements are water, air, ether, fire and earth. So let's go with the basic principle. So, the first basic principle is body heals itself. Second is main cause of disease is inversion. Deposit of metabolic end product in the body are disease. Acute disease is a remedial process. Food is a building material and it does not increase vitality. So the first principle is body heals itself. So our body has tremendous power of healing. So in general we can see that when we get injury, like we get small cuts, our body tries to heal itself. Like we don't need to do any surgeries or any procedure. If you just leave the wound, it will heal by itself. So our body has that power to heal itself without giving any treatment. So when we give naturopathy treatment, what it does is it increases our healing power and cures the diseases. Second is main cause of disease is inversion. So what is inversion? Inversion is a tiring or fatigue of the nervous system. So when we do overwork, we feel lethargy, tired, and so what we do here, that when we give relaxation to our body or when we give the naturopathic treatment, it gives proper relaxation to our body and it tries to bring back the normal functioning of the body and it removes any blockage or any nerve impulse conduction which are not passing properly. Third is accumulation of metabolic end product is the main cause of disease. So what is the metabolic end products? So when our food get digested and after heavy workout, what happens is our body releases some toxic products. So it will start getting accumulated in our body. So when it is not removed from our body, it will act as the foreign matter. So body tries to eliminate it through our body. If it is not happening properly, it will get accumulated in our body and it will block the proper functioning of the body. So naturopathy helps in removing these toxin matters from our body to regain its normal function. So next is food is the building material. It does not increase vitality. So before going to that, what is vitality? We must know. Vitality is the energy which is already present in our body. It cannot be increased or it cannot be decreased, but it can always regain. What is lost, we can regain. So food helps in increasing, improving our body function. It is required for building up the flesh, bones, blood and nerves. It is our supplement. It gives energy to function it properly. If you see, if you eat more, you don't feel good. So heavy eating does not mean that if you eat more, you will improve your health. You have to eat in proper amount. So it won't cause any more load on digestion. So these are the first 5 principles. Further we will read in next seminar. Thank you. If you have any query, you can comment below.